Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be taking you guys on how to easily fix a zipper flyer on a pants trouser or your skirt. So if you're new here, you're welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. So on this front line, we already have the two front pieces that is already cut out and joined with the pocket. So we have the two flyer to fix with the zipper before going down. So first of all, we are going to measure 9 inches, or you're going to measure the length at which you want your zipper to get to. So I want my zipper to get to about 8.5 inches to 9 inches. So I marked out where I want the zip to get to. So after marking it out, we are going to now bring out the front using the other front part to face the other one, just the right side facing each other, and then mark out the point at which you want the zipper to get to, and then went ahead to sew this part that we are having here. So after sewing it, this is what we have, and we notch out that point that we already sewn just to connect the zipper to it. So we are going to now be facing using the zipper. We're going to be sewing the zipper around it like this. So we're going to be using a pin to hold the zipper down like this. So after holding, we are going to sew this down. So this is it after sewing, and we're also going to be placing the unfolded on the one that is double on it like this. We are going to be joining that part together to it, and this is what we have after joining it. This is what we have. So on the other side, we are going to be joining that one that is single on that part. So this is how we will be joining it to the other part of the front pieces. So after joining it, we are going to join it first before joining out the zipper on the flyer on the space that we have. So this is it after joining it, and we actually top stitch on it already. So you can see that it's covering the zipper part already like this. So this is what we have after it. Then we are going to be flipping it aside, the back part, and we're going to be flipping it to join the zipper to the flyer already like this. So after using your pin to zip it down, and please, when you're doing this, you have to be careful not to pin down the other side of the zipper to it. So we are flipping that one to the other side to use our pin to hold it down before sewing it. So this is what we have, and this is the point we are going to be sewing, and from there we actually mark out what we'll be having. Mark out 1.5 inches at the front line to indicate how curvy we want it to be at the front. So this is what we have after doing that for that. So after flipping it, so this is actually what we have after marking out the 1.5 for the sewing. So if you find this very interesting and you would like to do this, please don't hesitate to ask me questions if you do not understand. You can see how lovely it's looking already. So if you want to know more, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye.